Welcome to After Village Kitchen once more. Today I am here bringing you one of my kitchen hacks, my very important kitchen hack. It helps me to be stress-free in the kitchen. With it, I'm happy to come in here in the kitchen and cook, because within 5 minutes, 15 minutes, I've cooked a dish, I've seasoned some meats, chicken, you know what? I have everything prepped. So I just want you out there to have the same kind of stress-free life in the kitchen, and most importantly, to enjoy cooking. So today I am going to show you my Ghana Trio Plus One. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know I always mention my Ghana Trio Plus One. If you've been trying out my recipes, you see me mentioning Ghana Trio Plus One. Well, it is basically our Ghanaian the basic ingredients we use in our Ghanaian cooking. And the basic ingredients are some onions, got some onions, some ginger, oh my favorite spice, I love this spice, some garlic, and pepper. So for me, I always say the three main ingredients are ginger, onions, ginger, some garlic, and maybe pepper. Or for some, they don't like garlic, so they may leave garlic out. So your plus one, the three main ingredients are onion, garlic, and maybe pepper. But for you, maybe it will be onion, garlic, ginger. So your plus one depends on what you choose, whether pepper or garlic. Okay, so that's why I call it Ghana Trio Plus One, because there's always three main ingredients there, and then there's an extra one. So I'm going to show you how I get it done. I make this blends ready for use to season chicken, meat, to start my cooking, because when we are making our sauces, we use these ingredients. And I sometimes prefer to have them blended singly, but you can mix them up and have a mixed blend of maybe ginger and garlic, or ginger and onion, or garlic and onion, to suit you. But I love to keep them singly, because depending on what I want to use, I want to make sure I have each of them on its own. So I'll show you how I make them, so do keep on watching. And whilst you're here on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, because there's more coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. So I start by cutting up my onions into smaller chunks, and I basically add just oil, no water at all, just oil. You don't want to have any water at all in here, because that will let it go off very quickly. So just onions. I'm doing just my onion blend at the start, and I'll add in some oil and blend. So I've got my onion and oil, no water in here, and so basically you add enough oil to get it to blend. So now it has blended, and I've got my bottles sterilized. I'm recycling some old, food jars, and what I did was to sterilize it, was to boil some water and soak them in some boiling water for about 15 minutes, and then I let it air dry, and I use them. So I just pour my blend in here. It's easier if you've got a funnel and you use it, and it helps for it to pour nicely. Once it's done, please do label it, because within some couple of days in the freezer or in the fridge, you will not know whether it's an onion or a ginger blend. So once you're done, label and date it. So it's ready to label and to go in my fridge if I'm using it for the next couple of days, or if I want it for a longer storage, you can blend a whole lot at a time, store some in your freezer, take them out when you need it. So the next thing to blend is the ginger. Again, with no water whatsoever, just oil, just oil. Again, pour it into your sterilized jar, put it in your fridge. If you are using it in the coming weeks, it stays about 2 weeks and it's fine. Or freeze part of it for longer storage. Next thing to blend is the garlic. Again, with oil, no water at all. Hello, so my Ghana Trio Plus One is ready. There you have them. Garlic, ginger, onion and pepper blends ready to use, you know, to help you be quick, super quick in the kitchen. Makes your prep easy. You've spent some time to prep this, and you know the rest of the days becomes easier because all you get into when you get into the kitchen is basically taking these sauces and starting to cook. No need for peeling, etc. So keep them in your fridge or your freezer for long-lasting ones. Always date and label them because it doesn't take long for them to get looking so much alike. Okay, so always label them and date them. And especially when you are freezing them and you happen to make batches, lots of batches, again and again, you will know that which ones to take out when you need to. So the first in becomes the first out. You use that method so that you don't have you don't end up using newer ones much earlier than an older one. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you do, please do subscribe, share and recommend my channel to your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Cheers.